Quick assembly split pouch cell, 1 inch by 1 inch, for battery material testing. Install the upper mold sealing ring. Install the lower mold sealing ring. Install the plastic guidance sleeve into the lower mold. Put the prepared materials into the device one by one. Assemble the upper and lower molds. Preliminarily fix the upper and lower molds with screws. Set the appropriate value with the torque wrench. Tighten the screws with a torque wrench. When the set value is exceeded, the torque wrench will emit a warning sound. Quantitatively drip electrolyte according to research process requirements. Tighten the sealing valve. Testing can be performed after standing still. MTI, the leading provider of scientific equipment for material research.